Here, and today I'm going to be opening up a number 5 mega box of Topps Chrome 2018 update, and this will definitely be the last box of this that I open. I haven't gotten any huge hits out of it, but if you look at the box, it makes it look like you could get some big autos out of this. Like there's Acuna auto on the side, and also Shohei Ohtani auto on the side over there. So I got some big names in this, but let's see if it's probably pretty tough to pull them, but definitely have a decent shot at autos out of these, I think. So there's our 7 packs. Got Matt Kemp, Francisco Lindor, and Chris Stratton, Walker Buehler rookie. That's nice. It'd be cool if Walker Buehler had autos in this. And we got Joey Votto, Mike Trout from the United States. Wonder why it's called an international affair when he's the United States. Clint Frazier and Nick Kingham. All the other international affair cards I've gotten have been players from other countries besides the United States. All right, next pack. Trevor Story, Stephen Piscotty, Ian Kinsler, and Willie Adams. Next pack. There's the odds, by the way, if you're wondering. You can get refractors, X factors, gold refractors, red refractors, and superfractors, and printing plates. So, quite an assortment of goodies. We got Ichiro. We got something weird here. It was one of these. I thought it was going to be something different. The light was just catching it different. We got Ichiro. We got Ohtani rookie debut. Yoenis Cespedes from Cuba, and Aaron Judge. There's that one. All right, next pack. We got Ozzie Albies, Scott Kingery, Josh Hader, Mitch Haniger. All right, 2 packs left. We got Gleyber Torres. Oh, there's a nice Ohtani international affair from Japan. Charlie Blackmon and Jose Bautista. And last pack of 2018 Topps Chrome update. Got Tyler Beede, Shane Bieber, Christian Yelich, who had such an amazing season this last year, and Gleyber Torres rookie debut. All right. These are pretty cool. Got a Trout and Shohei Ohtani international affair insert and Yoenis Cespedes. All right, stay tuned for more videos.